my name is Greg Wax. I'm the co-owner of TGK Automotive at Ham Lake. I've been in the automotive industry for 13 years, and this is my team of service advisors. This is John, Dan, and Christine.
When customers walk through the door here at TGK, you can expect to be greeted by our friendly and professional staff, where we want to fix your car right the first time.
We take value in building relationships and treating our customers like family.
Here at TGK Ham Lake, we specialize in off-road, diesel, and accessories.
A lot of people have been saving up their money. They come here with a pickup truck, Jeep. They have this dream of lifting it, putting special wheels and tires on. We not only fix your vehicle, we also help you build your dreams. We are excited to be in the community, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon.